Cosmopsychism and the hard problem, thoughts and dreams of our universe. Scientists often talk about the hard problem of consciousness, the mystery of how a 3-pound lump of grey matter in our heads creates the vibrant world of feelings and thoughts we experience every day. Frontier researchers advocate a broad perspective, one that includes the entire cosmos. Today we're diving into cosmopsychism to explore a wild yet mathematically supported possibility that we may actually be the thoughts and perhaps even the dreams of the universe. The study by astrophysicist Franco Vazza and neurosurgeon Alberto Feletti, published in 2020, is often cited as a cornerstone for the cosmic brain hypothesis. It's a fascinating piece of research because it wasn't just a visual comparison. They used rigorous mathematical tools typically reserved for mapping the universe and applied them to the human brain. One of their most striking discoveries was the distribution of mass, the 30-to-70 ratio. In both the human brain and the observable universe, the important bits, neurons and galaxies, only make up about 30% of the total mass. In the brain, about 77 to 78% is water. In the universe, about 73% is dark energy. In both cases, this passive majority, water or dark energy, acts as a background medium that allows the active network to exist and communicate. The scientists calculated the spectral density of both systems. This is a way of measuring how matter fluctuates across different scales. They found that the way neurons are distributed in the cerebellum, on a scale of 1 micrometer to 0.1 millimeter, follows the same mathematical progression as the distribution of galaxies in the cosmic web, on a scale of 5 million to 500 million light-years. Even though the known universe is roughly 10 octillion times larger than a brain, the patterns of complexity are identical. They examined connectivity and clustering. Contextually, in a network, a node is either a galaxy or a neuron. The average number of connections per node was remarkably similar. Both systems also showed a tendency to cluster connections around central hubs. You can think of these as the major intersections or metropolises of the network. They also noted similar underlying principles of self-organization. Vazza and Feletti estimated the memory capacity of both systems. Describing the complexity of the human brain requires roughly 2.5 petabytes. For the cosmic web, it's about 4.3 petabytes. The fact that these numbers are in the same ballpark is mind-blowing. It hints that the universe might not just look like a brain, but it might actually be computing, and remembering at a scale we can barely imagine. This modern calculation of cosmic memory capacity provides a scientific resonance with the ancient concept of the Akashic Record, a theoretical universal filing system that stores every thought, word, and event in the history of the cosmos. Researchers are now investigating whether information flows through the cosmic web in a manner resembling neural signaling. Some frontier scientists are investigating whether dark matter acts as the quantum substrate for this cosmic mind, the analogous grey matter of the universe we can't yet see. The cosmopsychism hypothesis suggests that the cosmos as a whole is the primary seat of consciousness, and our individual minds are sub-minds within it. We could be seen as solitons, self-reinforcing wave patterns that maintain their shape. When we dream at night, we might dream of being a person walking through a park. In that dream there are trees, a bench, and maybe a stranger walking a dog. Upon waking, we realise we were dreaming. If the universe is a brain, we might each be a thought or dreamt character. Since 95% of the universe is made of stuff we can't see, Post-materialist science suggests this could be the subconscious or computational power of the cosmic brain. Have a look at a comparison image of the cosmos and the human brain. If you didn't know which was which, could you tell the difference?